Hi there. Let's talk about how to send money from the USA to India with the Wise. In here, create a Wise account, go to wise.com to download the Wise application. Now sign up with your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Choose one of each, and basically for step number 2, start a new transfer. Click Send Money. This should be in the upper left corner of the screen. Now choose from currency USD and to currency India Rial, or INR. Now enter the amount for this one, type how much you want to send in USD, or how much you wanted the recipient to receive in INR. Just choose one of each, and Wise will show real exchange rate, fees upfront, and estimated time of arrival. Step 4, this is actually very important. Add the recipient details, starting from the full name, Indian bank account, which is going to be the account number, or basically the IFC code. Next up, that would be choose your payment method. Options include ACH, or basically bank transfer. Debit or credit card, or wire transfer will be the best. Now, usually bank transfer are going to be often the cheapest. Next up, verify your identity. This is only optional or required. For large transfer, Wise may ask you for ID document, proof of address, and so on and so forth. Now, review and confirm. Double check and click on send. Now, next up, this is actually a little bit more important. Track your transfer. Wise will give you some email updates, the progress on the application, and transfer to India often arrive the same day or within 24 hours. And that should do it.